Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yaya from California class. Wanna tell about chapter 24. The title is It Could Be Worse. I wanna explain about the sentence from a story about it could be worse. The first, there is upset. Upset is adjective. The meaning is unhappy, worried, or sad because something bad happened. For example, she felt very upset because when she lost her boyfriend. Okay, the second is sympathetic too. This is adjective for the meaning feeling or showing care and understanding for someone's pain or trouble. For example, my boss was sympathetic to me when I was tired. Sympathetic, there are verb, but the right is different, pronunciation is different. Sympathize with. This is verb. The meaning is to show you understand and care about someone's problem. For example, I sympathize with my friend. He failed his grammar test today. Next, there is complain. Complain, there are two. There are complain for verb. There are complain for noun. Complain for verb, the meaning is to say you are not happy or satisfied with something. For example, don't complain about the rain, just bring an umbrella. That is verb. For noun, complain noun is the meaning is the statement you make when you are not satisfied. For example, the boss listened to my complaint about the noise. For the noun, there's verb first, and then my subject plus verb, and then complaint. For the next, wicked. Wicked is adjective. The meaning is very bad, evil, or mean. For example, in the story, the wicked queen wants to hurt the princess. Okay, the next is knock at and knock on. Knock at and knock on, there is two, verb and noun. For the verb, the meaning is to hit a door or wall casually with your hand to get attention. For example, please knock on please knock on the door before you come in. For the noun, the meaning is the sound you make when you hit something. It's different, right? For example, I heard a loud knock at the window last night. Okay, the next is desk. The meaning is a table. This is the table. The similar what is that? The similar table. A table you use for studying, working, or writing. But for use, not just for a table, yeah, just table. But for desk, this is for we use it. For example, I keep my books and pencil on my desk. Okay, the next is there is still some happiness in this world. The meaning is even though bad things happen, there are still good people who tell the truth and do the right thing. Okay, next is loss. Loss is so many loss. There are loss verb. There are lost verb plus to plus object. There are lost is adjective. For lost, LOSE, verb, to the meaning is to no longer have something or to not win. For example, be careful not to lose your keys. Will what is that? Be careful not to lose your keys. Then another example, we lost to the other team in the game. Okay. We continue lost with adjective. Adjective lost is LOST, adjective. The meaning is something you can find or someone who doesn't know the way. For example, this is my lost wallet. Thanks so much. For lost verb plus to plus object, the meaning is what is that? The meaning is you lost for somebody. I lost to you in the fun games. Okay. The next chapter 25. The first chapter 25 tell us about do the English speak English. Okay. For the first sentence is study verb. Study, the meaning is to spend time learning about something, usually by reading or practicing. No. Study, just study. But for learn, we get knowledge, skill. What is that? Knowledge, skill, experience, and study. The study is one of learn. For example, I study English every evening for 30 minutes. For learn, to get new knowledge or skill so you can understand or do something. For example, we learn how to speak politely in class, like that. Okay, for the next is each. Each is adverb. The meaning, every single person or thing in a group one by one. For example, each student gets one workbook. For the next is every. Every, you know it's every day, every time. All people or things in a group together. Like, every student must bring their own pen. Every is adverb. And the next is all. All, the meaning is the whole, among, or everyone, or everything. Example, we are all ready to start the lesson. Another example, all my friends invite me to hang out. The next is as well. As well is, the meaning is to, also, to and also. Put it at the end of a sentence. Like, for example, I like reading and like writing as well. This is the same meaning from to and also. Okay, the next is at least. At last. Or at last. The meaning is adverb. The meaning is finally, after a long time. After waiting for an hour. This example. After waiting for an hour, the bus come at last. At last. I don't know the pronunciation. Okay, continue. Porter is noun. For the meaning, a person whose job is to carry bags or things for others, usually at hotel, station, or airport. Example, the porter helped us carry our suitcase to the room. And there is study this expression, not only but also, but as well. He not for example, not only this is to connect to two related fact. For example, he not only speaks English but also German. We can use but as well. He not only speak English but German as well. Because also and as well is the same meaning. For we wanna use two. Okay, he not only speak English but German too. Like that. So there are a neither and nor. For example, this book is neither good nor interesting. What the meaning? Use this to say not this one and not that one either. Okay. Another example. He likes neither coffee nor tea. This is what is that? Negative sentence, right? Okay. For the next chapter 26, the last. The title is The Best Art Critic. That this tell us about this, the best art critic. For the sentence critic as the noun, the what is that? The meaning: someone who judges or gives opinions about books, movies, art, and etc. For example, many people agree with the film critic's opinion. Okay, the next is critical. Critical is adjective. Very important, or pointing out what is wrong with something. For example, reading is critical for learning English. Okay, the next is criticism. Criticize, to say what is wrong or bad about something or someone. For example, please help me improve. Don't just criticize my work. Okay, for the next is criticism is a noun. The meaning is the act of saying what is wrong or bad about something. For example, we can take his criticism and do better next time. For the next is critically, adverb. And the meaning is in a very important way or fully judging. For example, listen critically so you understand every word. Okay, the next is pretty. There can be adverb and can be adjective. For example, pretty adverb. I'm pretty sure. The meaning is I'm really sure. Okay, for adjective is she is a pretty girl. Yeah, like she is a beautiful girl. Like that. Okay, for the next is hung, hung, hanging. Hang, hung, hanging. We can see the picture page 26 like this. Hung. Hang is used only when talking about killing someone by hanging. Hung, hanged. This is hanged. For hung, to attack something, it stays up, like this. Okay. The next, this is what is that? In the same way is similarly. Example, dogs need love in the same way cats need care too. Okay, the next is upside down and inside out. We can see in picture 27. This is upside down. This is inside. What is that? This is inside on. For example, the meaning is with the top part at the bottom. For inside out, with the inner part on the outside. For example, you have the mat upside down. Turn it around. For example, from inside out, you put your shirt on inside out. Okay, thank you very much. I think just it I can explain about chapter 24, 25 and 26. I'm Yahya from California class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.